This paper deals with three very detailed accounts of the ice cores that we find in Greenland and in Antarctica. It's produced by Michael Ord, who I respect, and he has tried to look at the information that has come to light, because in many ways the ice cores in these places, Greenland and Antarctica, are often used as some of the strongest evidence against the young Earth. And so it's important to address these issues. And Michael Ord does that in a detailed, thorough way, and is open and honest about issues that are still to be resolved. And I think the most important thing to understand in all these sorts of analyses is that we have incomplete knowledge. We can assume, we can interpret, we can come to conclusions, but we mustn't put too much weight on them, even if they fill our desires and our wishes. All our evidence is very circumstantial, and even the creationists have to accept that. Some evidence is more strongly for creation, some evidence is more weakly for creation. And that's to be expected in a world with incomplete knowledge. But it doesn't deny the fact that creation happened and that the worldwide flood happened, because we derive that knowledge from God's revealed word. And the key thing and the key take-home message is that the data we have is not inconsistent with a worldwide flood. And in some ways, as I've said before, the existence of an ice age only makes sense in the context of a worldwide flood, because you need to have a warm ocean and cold atmosphere. Only a worldwide flood would generate that because of the volcanoes heating up the water underneath and the volcanic ash in the atmosphere, creating what's called a volcanic winter, where the sun's rays and the heat can't come in. And it's that particular warm ocean, cold atmosphere that's unique to the worldwide flood, and that explains really why we have an ice age. But as I say, these articles are interesting because they show the amount of research, the amount of thinking, and the amount of analysis that goes in by people who are dedicated to trying to show how science confirms the Bible. I'm not suggesting you have to read the articles, but just be aware they exist. Well, thank you for listening.